Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one is black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has the Advent Garde interior and exterior, 17-inch split 5-spoke wheels. Black MB text interior with a linden wood trim, panorama sunroof, rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging, electronic trunk closer, clean set of floor mats, power liftgate, premium 3 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation with voice command, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This C-Class has 25,807 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.